In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to annotate on Zoom. If you've ever wanted to make your Zoom meetings more interactive and engaging, annotations might just be the feature you're looking for. Now, let's dive in and explore everything you need to know, from setting up to actually using these tools effectively, both as a host and a participant. First things first, before diving into annotations, we need to ensure that the feature is enabled in your Zoom account settings. If you're the host, start by signing in to the Zoom web portal. From there, navigate you to the Settings section, then to Meeting, and within that, select In Meeting, Basic. Here, you'll find the annotation option. It's essential to toggle this feature on. Doing so will ensure that annotations are available during your meetings. Additionally, you have some optional settings that could come in handy, like allowing the saving of annotated shared screens or restricting annotations to be used by only the host. This customization ensures you have the control you need over how annotations are used in your sessions. Now that we've enabled the feature, let's talk about using annotations during a screen share, which is where the magic really happens. Once you're in a meeting and someone, whether it's you or another participant, starts sharing a screen or a whiteboard, annotation tools become available. On a desktop, whether you're using Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, a toolbar will appear at the top of your screen as you start sharing. Simply click on Annotate or the pencil icon within this toolbar to access all your annotation tools. If you're on a mobile device, the process is slightly different. Tap Share Content, select what you want to share, then tap the pencil icon to bring up the annotation tools. Once you've opened up the annotation tools, you'll find a range of options at your disposal. These typically include tools to draw lines, shapes, and highlights, add text, place stamps like stars or check marks, and use arrows or a spotlight to direct attention. There's also an eraser for any mistakes and options to undo or redo your actions. You can clear all annotations if they're no longer needed, and even save a screenshot or PDF of the annotated content to keep a record or share with participants who might want to revisit it later. Lastly, if you're hosting and want others in the meeting to join in on the annotating fun, it's easy to allow participants to annotate. While sharing, you would simply click More in the Share toolbar and then choose Enable Annotation for Others. If you find it necessary to disable or limit this feature, you can opt for Disable Annotation for Others, or check the box for Show Names of Annotators to keep track of who is contributing to the annotations. And there you have it. Everything you need to start using annotation tools in Zoom meetings, making them more collaborative and interactive for everyone involved. Happy annotating!